I used to think I could do any bodyweight exercise without proper form, and it cost me strength gains. I remember jumping into push-ups with my elbows flared out, thinking I was crushing it. But here's the thing, that form was all wrong. I wasn't just wasting my effort, I was setting myself up for injury too. Now, stay with me here. Proper form is everything. When you don't get it right, you're not just making it harder on yourself, you're risking injuries that could sideline you for weeks. Like, did you know that a push-up done incorrectly can be way less effective? I mean, if you're getting it wrong, you might be working harder, but seeing zero results. So, what can you do instead? Start with modified versions of the exercises. If push-ups are a struggle, try wall push-ups first. Or instead of jumping straight into full squats, give chair squats a go. They build strength safely and help you nail that form. Trust me, it makes a difference. And here's another thing I learned the hard way. Don't underestimate your need for rest. Taking at least one rest day a week isn't just a luxury, it's necessary. That downtime can seriously improve your performance and help avoid burnout. Your muscles need time to recover, especially when you're just starting out. So, here's your takeaway. Focus on your form first and don't hesitate to modify those exercises. Start with chair squats or wall push-ups and make sure you're resting